In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to hosting Airbnb 2020-26, step by step. If you've been using Airbnb as a guest and you're ready to manage your place like a host, this walkthrough will take you from the traveler view to the host side in just a few clicks, while explaining what you'll see along the way. We're keeping it simple, clear, and fast. Start by opening your browser and going to Airbnb.com. If you prefer the mobile app, open that instead. The flow is essentially the same. Make sure you're signed into the account you want to host from. If you're not logged in yet, click or tap login and enter your credentials. You might be asked to confirm your identity with a code. That's normal security and only takes a moment. A quick tip here. Double check you're on the official Airbnb site before entering any account details. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the website. You should see your profile picture or your initial in a small circle. That's your account menu. Click it to open a drop-down. On the mobile app, you'll find your profile icon in the main navigation. Tap it to open the same account menu. In the menu, look for the option labeled Switch to Hosting. Go ahead and select it. The page will refresh and you'll be automatically redirected to the host dashboard. If you don't see the option, you may already be in hosting mode. In that case, the menu will usually show switch to traveling instead. If the menu doesn't load or looks incomplete, try refreshing the page or updating the app, then open the menu again. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to notice the layout. You'll typically see a clean overview that highlights key items like messages, upcoming reservations, and quick actions for creating or managing listings. This is your command center. The top navigation or side menu will include areas like listings, calendar, inbox, or reservations, and performance. You don't have to change anything right now. Just know that this is where you'll return anytime you want to manage availability, respond to guests, or review insights. A helpful sign that you're in the right place is a hosting label or banner, along with host-specific tools visible on the page. That's the entire switch. To recap in one flow, head to Airbnb.com, sign in, click your profile picture in the top right, choose Switch to Hosting, and you'll land on the host dashboard. Whenever you want to browse as a traveler again, open the same account menu and select Switch to Traveling. You can move back and forth anytime, and your hosting tools will be right where you left them.